Starting with the speech name of Allah, who is the most merciful and almighty. So guys, today is our topic is about there is and there are. What we are gonna to do in this topic, and what is the importance of this topic in our English. So let's start the class. Let's start the definition of there is and there are. Let's go, guys. Both are used to show existence of people or things. Here we use there is and there are to show what? To show existence of people and thing. Here it show existence of people and thing. So guys, here is there is what we use. There is in which situation we use there is, in which situation we use there are. So guys, let's I write small notes about that. We use there is for singular. Here we use there is for singular thing or person, and there are we use here for plural person or thing. So guys, that was this there is used for singular and there are for plural. So here I made example, two of them. There is a book. Here I use book because here I don't add is due to. Here we use there is for singular. And here guys, number second example with us, because there are books. Here I add is due to what? Because here is a plural. I tell that there is we use with singular and there are with plural. So that was my topic. Before the watching, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.